Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Curology enthusiast like me, you know how exciting it is to get your personalized skincare in the mail. But what happens when your shipment suddenly goes on hold? It's super frustrating, especially in 2025 with all the new updates to their system. Don't worry. I'm here to break it down for you step by step so you can get your products back on track. First off, let's talk about why this might be happening. One common reason is address verification issues. Curology has ramped up security in 2025 to prevent fraud, so if your delivery address doesn't match their records or looks suspicious, they might put a hold on it. Another possibility is payment problems, like if your card expired or there's a glitch in the transaction. With the new economic regulations, banks are being extra cautious, which could delay things. Oh, and don't forget about high demand. Curology's products are more popular than ever, and supply chain hiccups could mean your order is paused until stock is available. Now, let's dive into troubleshooting. Start by logging into your Curology account and checking the order status page. That's often the first place to spot any red flags. If you see an error, double-check your shipping address and update it if needed. Next, verify your payment method. Sometimes, just re-entering your card details can resolve the issue. If that doesn't work, reach out to Curology's customer support. They're usually quick to respond via chat or email and can escalate things for you. Pro tip: have your order number ready to speed up the process. Remember, these holds are often temporary, and staying proactive can get your shipment moving in no time. If you're dealing with this, you're not alone. Millions of users face it, but with these steps, you'll be back to your skincare routine ASAP. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.